In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image into an Autocad drawing file. This is a really useful trick if you want to turn logos, floor plans, sketches, or diagrams into editable CAD drawings without redrawing everything manually. First, let's understand something important. AutoCAD works best with vector files, not regular pixel images. So if you're starting with a JPG or PNG, the goal is to convert that image into a DXF file, which AutoCAD can read and edit properly. To begin, open your browser and go to an online converter tool like Convertio. Once the website loads, you'll see an upload area right in the center of the screen. Now drag and drop your image into the upload box, or click Choose Files if you want to browse manually from your computer. Most common formats like PNG, JPG, and JPEG will work without any problems. After the image uploads, the next step is choosing the output format. Click the Format dropdown and select DXF. DXF stands for Drawing Exchange Format, and it's one of the most common file types used in AutoCAD. Once that's selected, click Convert. The website will now process your image and transform it into a DXF drawing file. Depending on the complexity of the image, this can take a few seconds. When the conversion finishes, click Download to save the DXF file to your computer. Now switch over to AutoCAD. Go to File, then Open, and locate the DXF file you just downloaded. Open it, and AutoCAD will import the converted drawing into your workspace. At this point, you may notice that simple images convert very cleanly, while more detailed or low-quality images may need some cleanup. That's completely normal. High-contrast black and white images usually produce the best results. If your imported drawing looks messy, you can use AutoCAD tools like Trim, Erase, or POLYLINE Edit to clean up extra geometry and improve accuracy. Also, keep in mind that vector images like SVG files usually convert much better than standard photos because they already contain path information instead of pixels. And that's it. Upload your image, convert it to DXF, download the file, and open it directly inside AutoCAD. It's a fast and simple way to bring sketches, diagrams, or logos into your CAD projects without starting from scratch.